last night in the parlor, and I ain't other boys in the band. And I stood there in the corner, and I wait for the feeling to dance. Every woman and their baby, they call them all if you can. And you kind of swinging, with the beat they clap in their hands. I said, hey man, holler, twist and holler, move your feet if you can. Don't just stand there in the corner, I wait for the feeling to dance. I said, last night in the parlor, I was overtaken at best, but I held myself together while the wind was taking me down. I said, hey man, holler, twist and holler, move your feet if you can. Don't just stand there in the corner and wait for the feeling to pass. It was last night in the parlor that we gave all the hell that we had. Don't you don't you want it? I'll twist and shake it again. I said, hey man, holler, twist and holler, move your feet if you can. Don't just stand there in the corner and wait for the feeling to dance. I said,
Mr. Jim, I can see the shape you're in. Got your finger on your eyebrow and left hand on your hip. Thinking that you're such a lady killer. Woo, think you're so slick. Alright, slick. Brother Johnny, he got a blade and he got on it. Now he's a razor in the wind, and he got a pistol in his pocket. They say the man is mucho loco on the West Coast. Ain't no doubt about it. Alright, alright, alright. Sister Sue, tell me baby, what are we gonna do? She said take 2 candles, then you burn them out. Make a paper boat, set a match and you send it out. Send it out now! Take on my radio. Hey, Rosita, stéguese la Rosita. Oh no.
slip away from me. Now I've been down 1,000 trails I've never walked before, and I found out that without fail they lead me to your door, and the world keeps turning round and round and leaves me hanging in the air. My heart keeps turning upside down, you're still standing there.
From all the risks we have taken, dance with me into the colors of the dust. When you have awoken from all the dreams broken, come and dance with me. Dance with me into the colors of the dust. Dance with me into the colors of the dust. The paths we're walking on, they crumble behind us, but we leave now. They will never find us. If this crazy world spins itself down to dust, I wanna be with you. I'm gonna be with you in the color. Again start hoping, with your arms wide open, come on
dust.